na nais kong makisama, hindi ako pumipirma sa kahit anong papel hinggil sa BICAM report na yan. At nagsusulong magbawas ng pera sa mga lehitimong proyekto para lamang ipasok ang akap, lakihan ng labis-labis ang MAIP, at pagpiestahan ang DPWH, paano naman ako pipirma sa blankot kulang-kulang na papel? The majority of the Senate contingent signed the signature page of the BICAM report. However, several of the senators soon refused to sign the rest of the report when they saw the drastic and inexplicable changes reflected therein. It was only at 6:14 p.m., much later that day, that my office finally received through an email, apparently a signed copy of the BICAM report. At approximately 8:20 p.m., members of the Senate purportedly ratified the BICAM report viva voce of the 2025 General Appropriations Bill. Uulitin ko po,